Social media ads have a very specific way of making you feel like your life is incomplete without a tiny piece of plastic that promises the power of a jet engine. You see these clips of people clearing entire driveways with something that looks like it belongs in a child's toy box. And honestly, it triggers that immediate urge to click buy right then and there. I spent some time looking into this handheld cordless blower that's been haunting everyone's feed lately. And the reality is a lot more complicated than a 30-second video clip would have you believe. It's marketed as this ultra-light, portable powerhouse. But if you go into this purchase expecting to clear a soggy lawn in the middle of November, you are going to be miserable. The feedback from real people who actually spent their money is split right down the middle, which usually means the product is either misunderstood or horribly oversold. Some people are absolutely tearing it apart. I saw one review where the person claimed their basic hairdryer actually put out a stronger breeze, which is a pretty stinging indictment for something sold as a power tool. There are also some genuine safety worries floating around, specifically about the lack of a protective cover on the intake port. If you're not careful, it seems like it could catch a loose sleeve or some stray debris in a way that isn't exactly what you want from a professional grade tool. But then, you hop over to community forums and you find a completely different story. There are users who swear by this thing for their specific routine. One person mentioned they actually stopped reaching for their heavy, expensive, big brand blower altogether. For them, clearing sawdust off a workbench or blowing a few dry leaves out of the garage was just easier, with something they could grab with one hand. It's that classic gap between what we want a tool to be and what it actually is in the real world. This isn't a landscaper's dream. It's a convenience play. If you're trying to move thick, wet, matted down grass, you're going to be standing there all day looking ridiculous. But if you just want to tidy up a dusty workshop or clear a light dusting of petals off a porch, the portability starts to make sense. The motor is clearly small, the battery isn't going to last through a marathon session, and the build quality feels, well, lightweight. That word is a double-edged sword, because lightweight is great for your wrist, but it usually means a trade-off in long-term durability. It's not a scam in the sense that it doesn't exist or doesn't blow air. But the marketing definitely paints a picture of a hurricane when the reality is more of a stiff breeze. You have to ask yourself, what am I actually trying to accomplish here? If you're the type of person who hates dragging out a giant machine for a 5-second cleanup, this might actually be a win for you. Just don't expect it to replace the heavy-duty gear in your shed. It's a niche tool for a niche job. And as long as you know that going in, you might avoid the heartbreak of a box that doesn't live up to the hype. Heap your expectations on the ground, and you won't be disappointed by the air. It's a fascinating look at how social media can turn a simple, modest utility item into a polarizing debate. One side sees a useless gadget, the other sees a handy little helper. The truth, as always, sits right in the middle of your garage floor.